How do I get out of here? Bro, do y'all hear me rubbing? Damn, I look bro right in the face. I was about to downshift to 1, bro. Wait. Oh yeah, this way. Oh my goodness. Oh, wait. Oh. Bro, this car sound mean. Oh, wait. Oh, jeez. Bro, I be realizing too late. I'm like, oh, damn. I'm about to scrape. Why are my lights on? Can y'all see better with the lights on? I can't see. Hold on, let me see. Lights on, lights off. Actually, I don't know. Y'all let me know in the next video. If y'all like lights on, I'll put the lights on. I was gonna record in the daytime. Like, I was gonna record more in the daytime so y'all can like actually see out. But my last nighttime POV did okay, so I guess y'all like it. Damn, dude, it's hard to get out of here. Thought I'd give you another nighttime POV. Bro, I think I lowered my car way too much. You gonna let me go? I think I got a whole, bro. I think I got a damn. I think I got an exhaust leak. Some nice apartments. Ouch. Yeah, man. I think I lowered my car too much. I think I got an exhaust leak. That's no good, man. I just can't see his parking garage to flick up real quick. I wanted to flick up with my boys, but man, nobody wants to do nothing. What does that mean? Oh, bro, what is that? Y'all hear that little? Sounds like a water pump. I don't know, man. It's like right when bro, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Right when I lowered my car, a whole bunch of like, I don't know, I started noticing a lot of stuff about my car that is catching my eye. And I'm like, oh, dang. Bro, you can never have nothing nice, man. It's like right when you do something nice for yourself, something gotta humble you, man. It's always something. I should probably post those little videos I took right now with the car so y'all can see it. It looks nice. I'm about to get the car detailed tomorrow because it stink. It smells like butt crack. Actually, I think it might be my belt. It sounds like a belt. But I just changed my belt though. That makes no sense. Or not recently, but not too long ago either, man. Downshifting too much, dude. I look like an amateur. You know those guys at every light, they be downshifting at every single light. I do that occasionally. probably like 9 times out of 10 throughout the day I do it. Damn, we're at a light. Everybody's gonna stare at my head. I'm on the phone. I'm gonna phone. Don't look at me. I get nervous, dude. I get camera shy. Bro, it's cause I gotta see it, bro. There's big camera on my forehead. I look dumb. My cousin told me I look dumb. I looked at myself too. I'm like, damn, I do look dumb. Like, there was a car meet tonight. I wanted to go, but again, everybody's busy, right? And I want to go by myself, so. What do you do, man? You just wait till everybody's available, right? Ah, I'm such a loner. That was corny. Why'd I say that? I'm such a loner. What a cornball. Who said I'm such a loner? I gotta put like a sad SpongeBob meme on the screen. I'm just a baby. You know what, bro? I don't think it's nighttime, bro. Nobody can really see me for real. You can't see me. I'm chilling. I'm chilling, bro. I'm overthinking it. I'm acting like it's daytime. It's nighttime. Nobody can see us on my car. They can't see inside. I ain't gonna lie. They was staring into my soul. Oh, I blew a booger out. Oh, that's so embarrassing. Damn, I need to put gas. I just noticed. I want to get Breville tuned, bro, but I know I'm gonna abuse it and I'm gonna ruin my car. I'm gonna just wait to get a B58. I give B58s that, man. They hold the crown for Brevilles. Ugh. It's an acquired taste. I don't like it. Somebody like it though. I don't know, bro. I'm not gonna even hate. Now you know what? I am gonna hate. That shit ugly. Like, don't get me wrong. I like trucks that have that look like a truck. You know, like meaty tires. You know, it looks like you know. But that, I'm trying to think of an analogy what to compare it to, but I don't know, bro. Remote control car, bro, it don't look real. Like, what's the functionality? I'm gonna do a pool, but I need open road. Oh wait, why did that car pull out? Oh, gotta peep the headlights. Peep the headlights. Make sure it's not you. Make sure it's not. Damn, dude, I can't speak. Make sure it's not you know who. Bro, I haven't even plugged myself, bro. I need to tag my Instagram, man. I'm starting to go on Instagram or an IG. If you want to go follow that, I'll put it on the screen. I need to put it on the screen. I'll put it on my screen so y'all can go follow that, man. I'm trying to grow around all platforms. Right now, YouTube is like probably, no, maybe TikTok. TikTok is my biggest platform right now. But even then, my TikTok is not, I don't like TikTok because TikTok is not consistent. You can get viral videos on TikTok easy, but it's not consistent. That's why I don't like TikTok. like consistency, and I feel like YouTube for me is my most consistent, like, growing. I know I don't post, that's on me, but like when I do post, like my most consistent is YouTube. Bro, I want to have some runs with some car, bro. I was gonna do a run yesterday with a Mustang. I saw a Mustang yesterday, and he was like, "Damn, what I miss?" Why nobody invite me, dude? Oh, I think it's like the spooky Halloween thing. Wow. Oh, this car's coming, it's gonna fly right beside me. Oh my gosh, I'm getting nervous. I'll run the window up. Oh man, I gotta get rid of that camera shyness. Still shop machine. Bro, that song been stuck on my head all day. I don't even think it's a song, bro. I don't even know, bro. It's just, I'm not gonna lie, it goes hard. It goes hard though. Damn, did I eat that red light? No, I didn't. Damn, bro, I was about to do a pool. You gonna pool right in front of me? Can't do it no more, man. Shop machine. Oh my gosh, bro, this is dangerous, bro. Driving, man, I'm driving with one contact, so I know it's dumb. I just hate how I look with glasses, man. I hate it. I've been at 4 eyes my whole life. Now that I got money to buy contacts, I'm not going back. I do need to buy new contacts though. I bought some already. They're on their way, but I'm not wearing glasses, man. I only wear glasses for work, and that's it. Just because I keep catching infections every time I wear my contacts to work. I'm not wearing glasses, dude. Honestly, dude, if I'm being honest, I really do hope it's my water. Damn, is that a popo? Yeah, turn, piggy, turn, get him up. Why you not turning? Why you not? Oh, he's waiting to go to the gas station. Is that a car? I don't think so. Like I was saying, dude, though, damn. Like I was saying, though, damn, dude, my words not coming out. Like I was saying, man, I hope it's my water pump that's bad. Just cause, I don't even want to say it. I'm losing coolant. I don't even want to say it, man. I don't want to say what I think it is, but I'm losing coolant. It's not a crazy amount though. It's like very little. Damn, it's my AC up. My air on? I feel my nuts hot. Oh, it's not. Damn. I'm just hot. Like I was saying though, I'm losing a little bit of coolant, and it's not like consistent at all. It dropped a little bit. I need my mechanics. I'm a mechanic, but I'm not like a pro mechanic, you feel me? Like, I lost coolant. Okay, I did a pool once, right? And my coolant dropped significantly. I filled it up again, and it went back to normal, and ever since then it hasn't dropped, like, as it dropped that one day, you know what I mean? So it's not like it's consistently dropping. It just dropped that one day. It's just, I don't know, bro. And I've done hard pools ever since then. Like, I've done hard pools, and it hasn't dropped like that day, like it did that day. What is one down? Ouch. Honestly, dude, I just got a bit of tolerance to the camera. I gotta just like put myself out there so I don't get shy. At this light, I'm not gonna roll the window up. I'm not gonna fold. I'm not gonna fold. They can't even see me, dude. They can't even see me. They can't see me, dude. They can't see me. Damn, man, I just look into their souls. Damn, these cars have bright headlights. Hold on, it's a good spot right here, but ain't nobody can see you. I'm good. Some cars probably right next to me. Jeez. Louise, he's stepping on that G37. Don't mind the dash. I already know what the stuff is. It's not in the budget right now. Just don't worry about it. It's nothing crazy. Car's still good. Ever since I installed my boosted 6 intakes, my O2 sensors keep going on and off. That's what that check engine is. It's my O2 sensor. It goes on and off. Like right now, y'all see it. Rude, he cut me off. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, damn. Oh, Jesus. Louise, man. Oh, man. But no wonder I got an exhaust leak, man. Jeez, bro. I was just scraping my nuts on everything. Bro, another thing, bro. After I do a man, these tires are crazy, man. I be leaving rubber on my car. My rear tires, always little pieces of rubber. Oh damn, that car's coming in hot. He want the smoke. He want the smoke. He want the smoke with the 3.0. Line it up. Line it up. Line it up. Line it up. He knew better. He knew better. Nah, I just banged up, bro. That's 2.0 Q. Those 2.0s, of course, man, they fast too. Y'all don't sleep on them, bro. They fast. I see some of them fast ones. Scat packs are no longer scary, man. There's so many cars out there now. But I promise you, a Honda Elantra, you get a tune on it and like you actually fix it up, bro. That Honda Elantra capping that, bro. I know how people are like, oh my god, he got a scat. Scat these nuts, man. Them scats are not scary. We are not scared. They're just loud. Boosted for the light. Damn, bro. I'm trying to. What was that, bro? I was gonna say boosted for the win, man. I said boosted for the life. I'm gonna cut the video though. I don't know why it sounds so like so dry when I like about to cut the videos off. But man, I don't know what to say. If I did enjoy the video though, like and subscribe. We're at 450 subscribers. We're about to hit 500, man. If y'all do enjoy my POV drives, like and subscribe, man. I'm gonna keep posting at least once or twice a week. At least once. I'm not doing this shit, bro. I don't want to look at people right now. Or I don't want them looking at me. Like you can just feel eyeballs staring, you know. But if y'all did enjoy the video, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. All right.